Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video tutorial for the problem revising the select query 2, right? That we'll be solving using MySQL. And yeah, this problem will be solving using the concept that we have studied in the last lecture of MySQL series, right? In which we have studied how you can combine multiple conditions using and or operator. Right, so if you haven't watched that lecture, please go ahead and watch it. And after that, just try to solve this problem on you. If you are able to solve it, very good. If not, don't worry, we are going to solve it together. All right, so let's just jump into the code editor. Let's have a look at the problem statement and solve this. Okay, so let's have a look at the problem statement of revising the select query second, right? So the problem statement says that you are given a city table which has ID of a city. This most likely is primary key. Name of the city, which country does it belong to, country code of that, and district and population of that city. Right? So this is our city table. So select the name field of all American city. Right? So this time we only have to select the name, all right, not everything. So we have to select the name field of every American city. How do you know whether this city belongs to America or not? Its country code would be equal to USA, right? So what first of all, choose the MySQL dialect and then write your select query. So select, what do we have to select? Only name, right? Select name, remember, from which table? City table. So city. All right. Now we have to apply condition. One of the condition is that the city that we are selecting, the name of the city that we are selecting, must be from USA. That means this is one of the condition. It must be from US. Right. So of course, when you apply condition, how do you do that? You use the where statement. So where uh, country code. Its country code. If you see, country code is one of the field. So its country code must be equal to USA. Right. So one of the condition will be country code is equals to USA. Okay, my bad. USA. All right. This is one of the condition. Do we only have one condition? Let's read further. From this table with population larger than 120K. All right. So this is the second condition. So its population must be greater than 120K. All right. So its population. So population should be greater than, my bad, 120K. All right. So these are the two conditions. These are the only two conditions. There is no more condition here. So again, we have to combine these two conditions. How do you do that? See, we will either use AND operator or operator, right? So or operator you use where conditions are, some conditions are not compulsory. For example, I mean, this condition, if you see, the city must belong to USA, right? It must be from USA. So this is not an optional condition. This is compulsory. It must be true. Then only you should be able to. You should select the name of the city, right? And this condition is also compulsory. It is not an option, right? It doesn't say either it should be an American city or its population more than 120K. It doesn't say it like that. It says that it must hold these two conditions true. That means both of these conditions are compulsory, and hence, when you combine these two, you must combine them using AND, because what AND operator does, it makes sure that it prints the result if and only if all of the conditions are true, right? And that's what we want here. So yeah, this is how our query should look like if we run it. Hopefully I didn't make any. Yeah, see, one thing you might be wondering, I didn't use the uppercase, all uppercase, and that is not compulsory. Correct? The field's name you can use any case. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be uppercase. All right. So yeah, this is how you solve this problem. And if you see, all the test cases are passing. If we submit it, hopefully, we shouldn't get any error. Yeah. So test cases are passing. So see, this is how you can solve this problem, having multiple condition combined using add. All right. So yeah, this is it for this lecture, and let's meet again in the next lecture with new concept. And till the next video drops, just keep coding. Thank you.